Guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. Welcome to the channel. This is my vlog for the weekend. Let's go. It's the week. You know, when you are working a 9 to 5, well, 8 to 4 or 5, whatever hour. For the past week, I've been working from 8 to about 5:30. When you work them kind of jobs, when the weekend comes, you are happy. It's the weekend, and I got home early today. I left work early today so I can come home and clean, because I have we call it Sunday school exam on Sunday. And I have not been studying. I have to study tomorrow, as well as do my hair, as well as do my nails. So we have a lot to do. Yeah. No. Anyways, guys, so I finished cleaning my room, and I'm washing at the moment. Hey, booby. You can't call him mother for me? No. Can you give me the phone so I can call? Tell him to bye. I look pretty. Tell him to bye. So back to me. So yes, I cleaned my room. So yeah, my room is cleaned now. I feel like I want a camera. I've ordered a camera off of eBay. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it actually arrives, because I saw where they said that my tripod should be shipped. Yet still, when I look in my ship me account, I'm not seeing it. So if you guys know what I'm supposed to do at this point, let me know in the comments below, because I have no idea. Mommy! She is home. She is home. She is home. How was your day? Good. Why are you drawing your words? Because it was good. Oh. Alright guys, I just washed my face, and I used the Clean and Clear Advantage acne control. I'm trying to get rid of these spots and the bumps that keep appearing on my face. I don't know if it's working yet, so I'll let you guys know. And to moisturize, I use the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. So yeah. Yep, so I'm gonna go to bed. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning, guys. My bed needs to be made. Yeah, I need to make my bed. But anyways, we are up. We are moving. I got my hair to finish. I did start it last night. I'm trying to do it very big so it doesn't take that long. But this is all I have so far. I want it to be done like right now. I'm gonna make my bed, guys. I'm gonna make my bed. It has to be. Okay guys, my bed is made. I'm gonna brush my teeth now and wash my face and change, and then I'm gonna start my hair and start my day. So I'm gonna plug you guys in, so I'll see you when you guys are charged up. You can see I pull out my hair. I changed my mind. Anyways, so my sister's in here. She's preparing her breakfast, and me I ink so me I forget some. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Like she tell. Anyways, let's look at what she's cooking.
Eyes. My two good eyes.
With your eyes, sweetie.
These peppers burn. You know what? I'm gonna start working with onion. When somebody plans to attack me, I just cut it and go.
Anyway, so she's gonna make her omelets. We got her eggs. We got bread. I got my porridge. She don't drink porridge, so don't do that. No, don't do that. How much? 3.
And then we put it through. Sitting for fry.
Dos.
Ow.
3. So she has finished cutting her veggies. She got tomatoes, onions, a scallion, thyme. Yeah, and I'm gonna drink my porridge. Alright guys, she is now slicing. This is cooking with Shan, guys. Cooking with Shan. She is slicing the frankfurters. I need a camera. This quality is so bad. Oh, I just did one way past my bad.
Shame on you.
My bad.
This in your iPhone. Are you dissing?
But you want one real camera with one tripod where we can put it on. Someone have to hold it. Let's put it on and make a video.
Me now, you know,
iPhone.
Put that your meat. Jesus, move that. That's a terrible.
I'm glad it's on camera. K-A-Y. You go, boo boo. Am I doing this on Instagram? Okay.
You just want this to boom around. Not
what?
Me, you know. Yeah. You like see cooking from boom around. Ah, it's so cute, look.
To story. You know, save you know, but me I did to story. Save it. Save it. Go. Ooh, yeah, guys. No. Because I don't want to.
Y'all, she's mean. Or even washing your mother's and father's face. It smells like that about ackee and saltfish.
Now she's adding in difference.
The fire's on now?
Kind of, not really. Maybe. Ooh. You know I like you.
There you go, people. My sister doing her thing.
Alright guys, we're gonna put bread with A-frames in this sandwich maker. We'll let it heat up. Alright guys, here's my sister's enchilada. We didn't have any cheese, so you know, it's not gonna look too much like an omelette, but it's the best we can do without cheese.
Is that in video too?
Mm-hmm. How you stole my fork and how you're stealing out of my plate. Okay, this ready?
Okay,
guys.
I'm gonna make that TV.
Oh. She's stealing out my food. So. Hi guys, I am currently doing my nails. Yeah. I did. Told him not doing any acrylic. Damn, they're so cute. Hi guys. Making a proper choice so much they're not paying me no mind. Y'all. Wow. Anyways, I'm doing my nails, guys. It's kind of dark down here, but yeah. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. So yesterday I left you. I was doing my nails, so my nails are finished. These are my nails. They're not precisely what I wanted. I wanted this to be decorated, however, I can't glue them. So this is what I'm left with. Yeah, I'm in love with these two. They're so shiny. Anyway, currently studying. I have been studying since I finished my nails yesterday, and I slept and I studied and I slept and I studied. So I am still studying. I have exam today. Hi guys, so I am back from exam. It was hard, like so hard, but anyways, I managed. I hope I passed. Anyways, so it's sort of even, waiting for dinner. I look ratchet right now, but oh well. Let's go see what's cooking in the kitchen.
What are you doing?
I'm hungry.
I love you overeat. I love you eat over food, so no bother cooking.
Are you gonna come home and cook it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I love me.
I'm hungry.
Me cooking and me cook. Tell a vlog so me cook again.
Yeah, but me hungry. She have me dying for hunger.
Me want you to do something for me.
No.
For some water for you now.
No.
You know
Alright guys, it's dinner time. Sunday dinner. So we got chicken, we got fish, got potato salad, rice, and vegetable with my famous sauce dip, whatever it is. Hi guys, excuse my ratchet hair. So it's Sunday night right now. It's about 9 something, and I got news that I'm not going to really go to school tomorrow. I have a workshop, so yeah. Alright guys, I must sign out for the night. I hope you guys had a great day. I did. Got to relax today, so yeah, I'm gonna head to bed and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, so we're finally here. We are at the Jamaica Conference Center in Kingston. It is very beautiful here. I like it, so yeah, we'll be here for the whole day. Hi guys, we are at the workshop. Right now we're doing an activity. Yeah, so we're writing, basically writing an SB. Hi guys, so I am home. Just want to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and even leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.